This side dish is one of my favorites. It's the bacon and spinach saute. The deep flavor of soy sauce and butter will match almost any bento box meal. So here are the ingredients that we'll be using. Step 1. Rinse the spinach and cut into about 4 cm in size. And cut the bacon into 1 cm slices. Step 2. Saute the bacon on medium heat and add in the butter. When the butter has completely melted, add in the spinach. I'm cooking the stems first before adding in the rest so that it will cook more evenly, but this is not necessary. Step 3. When the spinach has shrunk like this, add in salt and pepper and soy sauce. I'm actually putting a little bit too much soy sauce in the video, but 2 teaspoons of soy sauce would be perfect. Mix well and it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss our future episodes. I'll see you again soon.